Namaste. My name is Ashish Lal. I was COVID positive in March 2021 during the second wave of coronavirus in India. In this video, I'll explain few things I learned because of that experience. I'm not a doctor, so if you are COVID positive, you need to consult a doctor. The first thing that I learned was that if you have symptoms, don't just take paracetamol. You need to be on a proper viral medication. A viral medication course is generally of 3 to 5 days. I'll explain you the reason behind this. So suppose you have temperature, or suppose you lose your taste today and you get your COVID test done today, and it takes 48 hours or 72 hours to get the result. The first 3 days to 4 days are very crucial if you are COVID positive. If the condition worsens in these 3-4 days, it becomes really difficult to get back. So that's why instead of just waiting for the result to come, which takes a few days, you must start your viral medication course of 3 to 5 days from the very first day you have any symptom of COVID. Even if it is not COVID, even if it is normal viral, you must take proper medication. You know what I mean? So that is what I did. The very night I had fever, in the morning I called my doctor and she gave me a proper 5 days course of viral medication. My result came after 2 days, and then she hardly changed one medicine, gave me few more instructions. The second thing that I had to do, which my doctor suggested and which you must do, is in the morning and in the evening I used to take 4 readings every single day. And sometimes if your condition is not good, then they might ask you to take these readings every 4 hours. But at least in the morning and evening you must take. First, you take your saturation level, which you take from oximeter. Second, you measure your BP. Third, you measure your pulse rate, and fourth, you measure your temperature. Keep a track of these. Don't think that your feeling will tell you whether the case is good or bad. Let science tell you, let these readings tell you, right? So don't take this lightly. You have to take these readings every day at least twice. Third thing, you need to eat and sleep well. There are many people who are saying that I don't feel like eating. Yes, whenever we are sick, we don't feel like eating, but we have to eat. Otherwise, how will our body fight that virus? Please understand, you need to eat well, you need to sleep well, and you need to keep yourself hydrated, as we already discussed. You can do your pranayams. Pranayams are breathing exercises that are part of yoga, and it is very helpful, especially to strengthen the lungs. I used to do a lot of pranayams. I've been doing for the last 21 years. During that period, I especially did Anulom Vilom and Ujjayi Pranayam. And if you do that, it will be really helpful in strengthening your lungs and fighting the virus. Fifth and most important point, do not panic. It has been scientifically proven that when your stress level rises, your immunity level drops. And what is panic? Panic is stress level at its highest. Then what happens? The immunity becomes very, very low. I personally know of people who are doing fine, recovering properly, and then they saw deaths all around and they really panicked. And within a few hours, the coronavirus started taking its toll. Please understand that panic does not help you recover. Stress does not help you recover. Do whatever you can. But what you cannot do not think too much about it. The entire world is panicking. It is not good for anybody. The more you panic, the more power you are giving to the virus. And if you are panicking, you are spreading that panic all around. We need to be calm from within and then help others or help ourselves. We can help ourselves and others the most when we are peaceful, when we are sane, when we are not panicking. So this is the most important thing that I've learned through my experience, and I hope these 5 points help you. Don't be COVID positive, but please be positive. It's very difficult in these hard times, but I hope we can at least try. There is a very famous serenity prayer. It says, God give me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. So where we cannot change, we just cannot change. We can only pray. But where we can change, we can contribute in some way or other. So please be calm and deal with this virus in a calm way and in a proper, in an intelligent and efficient way. As they say, this too shall pass. Thank you.